Hi, I'm Diet, and this is
Jumbo the Baker.
and we are Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch
Easy.
easy. Today, we're really excited to share with you the foundation for every yummy, tasty great pie, and that's the pie crust. We're going to show you how to make a pie and how easy as pie. See that, Jim?
Ah!
Yeah. We're going to show you how easy it could be to make it in a food processor.
All right.
So what I've done, I've already measured out 375 grams of flour. That is 3 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. And I'm going to go ahead and sift it. So to that, we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Find my teaspoon here.
Mm-hmm. All right, wonderful. Good job.
Good job. I did good job. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Mm-hmm. 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 Make sure you get that side there.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Yes.
And then, you know what I'm going to add?
A little cinnamon.
A little cinnamon. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to my pie crust. Oh. Going to give it a quick whisk it up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right.
All right, we're going to go ahead and add our flour to the food processor.
Like so.
Like so. Like this and like that and like this and Now that we added the flour to the food processor, what we need to add is the butter.
More time.
Jim cut up our butter for us. Yes, he did. It was frozen. This is 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter. Ready? He's going to take care of that.
Like so. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Go ahead and give that a pulse. I'm going to rub our lemon because I'm going to go ahead and cut our lemon because we need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze our lemon. I should have had Jim do it because he's a lot stronger than me, but it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
I can do it.
It's done. You're a squeezer.
I'm a squeezer. Oh, look at that. Precision there.
Mm-hmm. 2.
1.
Oh. So we're done with that.
We're done with that. I'm going to pause it up a little. He's done. And now I'm going to go ahead and get our 1/4 cup of cold water.
And pulse it up.
Now we're ready to go ahead and pour it onto our pastry mat. Be careful, Jim. Be careful. Now, all we're going to do is just bring it together. We're not really kneading it. We're just kind of bringing it together. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half. All right. Jim, can you form 2 discs? Well, let's show them what we see here. Go ahead and see that pages and pages and layers of butter. Now Jim is going to go ahead and make 2 balls. I'm just going to be on the clean wrap duty. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and then we'll be ready to roll it out for our pie. And we'll show you how to do that next. All right, it's been an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little flour onto my pastry mat. Spread it all out. And then I'm going to go ahead and take one of my pie disc, and I'm going to go ahead and take a roller, taking a little bit of flour, coating my roller, and then I'm just going to roll it out, roll it out, roll it out. Oh! Twist my dough so it doesn't stick. Now I'm going to go ahead and roll my dough onto my rolling pin. Now taking my 9-inch pie dish, I'm going to go ahead and roll my pie crust right onto my pie dish.
Let go. Yeah. You gotta hear from me that turtle tasty treats. Yeah. You gotta hear from me that turtle tasty sweet. Yeah. You gotta hear from me that turtle tasty treats. Yeah. You gotta hear from me that turtle tasty sweet. She could be making them cookies. I got ingredients all in my oven cause she could be making them cookies. Yeah.
Now in the freezer this goes for 1 hour. 1 hour later, we have a pie crust. And that was easy peasy as pie. If you enjoyed this video and would love to see more, please make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell. And I'll see you in the next video.